Welcome to Mix and Music Mom. This is a clean with me video, the shortest in the history of time. This is my music office, and there's me. I had previously set out piles, so even though this video is inspired by Take Your House Back because that's the decluttering course that I subscribe to, I set piles in order to make it easier for me to clean. So I did the piles at about 4:45 a.m. and then I took my kids to school. And then this is me after. Don't I look lovely after I take my children to school? Gorgeous. So I'm taking each one of the piles and putting them away one at a time, which is a thing that Dana K. White, the decluttering guru I have chosen for myself, advocates doing. And you'll see a lot of music books in my hands. I think those are scissors. And the scissors do not live in my office because my daughter can get them and tear up my office with them. So we put them up high in the kitchen. All right, so that is where I keep all my business books. And I have a lot of them right now. I'm involved in several different coaching and mentor programs. That Trader Joe's bag. Oh, every teacher needs their crayons, right? But I was about to say that the Trader Joe's bag has my music books in it for travel, but I got a new bag. So in this video, I'm putting away all of the music books that were in that Trader Joe's bag. I'm either putting them underneath the piano, which is there's like a long line of books that you can't see because of that lovely bench. I love that bench. That was like $100. Anyway, we're getting close to the end of this cleaning video. However, I want to let you know that I did not clean it all the way. I cleaned it enough so that I could teach my next client who is coming to my office in literally 10 minutes as I'm doing this. So you don't have to be perfect, friends.